Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the introduction and preparation of benzene or arynes. It is a reaction intermediate formed by the removal of two substituents from any aromatic compound. That is, we can say it a dihydroproduct of benzene and its derivatives. It has a triple bond in its structure. It is highly strained, neutral, and reactive species. It was first postulated in 1870 to explain the formation of biphenyls, and after that Wittig proposed a detailed mechanism to prepare benzene in 1940. Robert provided further experimental evidences by his labeling experiments, which we are going to study later in this lecture. Then trapping experiments were performed by 1955. Its general formula is C6H4 as shown here. The arynes formed from heterocyclic aromatic compounds are called as heteroarynes, for example, pyridines and quinolines. Here are some of the examples such as benzene, 2,3-pyridine, 3,4-pyridine, 3,4-thiophene, indoline, and 1,2-naphthalene. Most of the reaction intermediates are very reactive and are studied by the latest techniques and using computer softwares. In structure of aryne, here we can see that there are two half-filled orbitals on two carbons which overlap to form a triple bond. It shows the electrophilic nature of aryne. Normal bond angle in alkyne is 180°, while in aryne it is nearly 120°, which shows that it is highly strained and a reactive intermediate. Below are the resonance forms of benzene. It can exist as dipolar ion, as alkyne, as cumulene, and a biradical. The most common biradical is ortho, while meta and para are also known and experimentally proved. Experimental evidence for the existence of this intermediate was provided by labeling experiment. When C14 labeled chlorobenzene was treated with strong base such as potassium amide in the presence of liquid ammonia, it is an acid reaction. Two substitutions were seen, that is ipso and sine substitutions. Here it is in ipso substitution and here it is sine substitution. Normally we were expecting that the amide will attack on this carbon and it will replace chlorine, and we expected only 100% ipso substitution. But there is nearly equal quantity of sine substitution, which is only possible if the benzene is formed as a reactive intermediate. Then here are the two possibilities. Then the amide can attack on the ipso carbon or the sine carbon. There are different methods for the preparation of aryne. First one is using halogenated aryl compounds. When halogenated aryl compounds such as 1-bromonaphthalene was treated with a strong base such as LDA, corresponding aryne was formed by the dehydrohalogenation reaction as shown here. Hydrogen and halogens are removed and a triple bond is formed here. Similarly, 2-bromofluorobenzene was converted to Grignard reagent, followed by the elimination of magnesium dihalide to produce benzene. Similarly, 1,2-dihaloaromatic compounds such as 1,2-dichlorobenzene, when treated with sodium or magnesium or any other reactive metal, benzene is produced. 1,2-diiodobenzene, when strongly heated, produce benzene by the elimination of I2 molecule. If there are two alpha hydrogens present relative to halogen atoms, then that hydrogen will be removed, which provided the stable anion. Here are the two possibilities: this hydrogen or this hydrogen, both can be removed. But if this hydrogen, which is in between the methoxy and bromine, it is removed, the negative charge will come closer to the methoxy position. Methoxy is a very strong electron withdrawing group, so this negative charge or anion will be stabilized, and this hydrogen and bromine will be removed to produce this benzene, and lithium will be attached to this position only. The negative charge here, it is away from methoxy, so it is not so stabilized, therefore it will not be formed. This is the generation of orthobenzene from directed lithiation. Fluorine is very poor leaving group, but due to its high electronegativity, it facilitates the removal of orthoproton, and ortholithiation takes place. Here it is relative to fluorine, it is ortho position, and then the removal of lithium fluoride yields benzene. These halogenated aryl compounds need severe conditions such as strong base, etc. Therefore, to avoid that and produce benzene under mild conditions, 2-trimethylsilyl aryl triflates was treated with the salt of fluoride such as cesium fluoride or any other fluoride salt to produce benzene. Triflate is a very good leaving group here, and the reaction will be completed under mild conditions. Naphthalene can also be produced by the similar method. Anthranilic acid, when diazotized and treated with a base, it is converted into carboxylate ion. Then, by the elimination of nitrogen and carbon dioxide, benzene is produced. It is a very neat reaction as the byproducts are nitrogen and carbon dioxide gases, which leaves the reaction mixture very easily. Next is Diels-Alder reaction. The reaction between buta-1,3-diene and acetylene produces benzene. This reaction is called as hexahydro Diels-Alder because it contains 6 hydrogen less than the normal 4 plus 2 components cycloaddition reactions. Next method is by using 1-bromo-benzotriazole and benzothiazole 1,1-dioxide. When 1-amino-benzotriazole was oxidized by using lead tetraacetate and it is decomposed, nitrogen is evolved, nitrogen is eliminated, and benzene is produced. Diphenyliodonium 2-carboxylate monohydrate, it is a commercially available compound. When it is refluxed in diethylbenzene, iodobenzene and carbon dioxide is removed and benzene is produced. Similarly, phenyl 2-trimethylsilyl phenyliodonium triflate. It also yields when treated with fluoride salt at room temperature. Here are some of the examples of photochemical reactions producing benzene. In all these reactions, byproducts are the gases such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, which gives no impurities in these reactions. In the first reaction, when it is heated, two carbon monoxide molecules are eliminated and benzene is produced. In the second molecules, two carbon dioxide are removed to produce benzene. In third, carbon dioxide and carbene, it is eliminated, and in phthalic anhydride, when it is subjected to visible radiation, it produces benzene by the elimination of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. At last, there is a summary of all the preparation. That's all about the introduction and preparation of arynes. Hope you got the topic. Thank you.